Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys. Today I'll show you how to delete same emails in your Gmail. For example, I have so many emails with this Quora Digest, Quora Suggest. You see my inbox is full of these emails. So I just want to delete all these emails. You can always unsubscribe these type of things if you don't want to get it. But if you even unsubscribe, these emails will be there in your inbox. So how to clean it? Simply in your search mail, you will write the name of it. Like for example, I am searching here Quora. So as soon as I search it, you see all the emails from this appear. So you can see there are check boxes also, but on the top there is another check box. So just click it and you see these all are selected, and just scroll down and see if there is anything, any email if it is that is selected which you don't want to delete. But I want to delete all these, so just click on delete. After I delete this, there are few more email from it. So again I'll click on this and click delete again. So now you see this is the last page, so I just click this and I delete. Now all the emails from this Quora is deleted. So if when I click on again on this, you will see that there is no email from this. In the same way, if you have any sort of email, you can simply delete it. And if you don't want to get emails from this, for example, if I don't want to get emails from Quora, I'll just open the email, and there might be an option of if I scroll it down all the way, there might be an unsubscribe button. So I just click that. I will open the email and click on unsubscribe. And sometimes there is no unsubscribe option, so you have to delete it. So this is the easier way to delete it. I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, give it a like, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share with your friends and colleagues. Take care. Allah Hafiz.